Tank 9, traditionally, as I mentioned in Tank 8, the crew, Latino crew complements, even mixed with other nationalities of Europeans, have been very successful. Why? It's very simple. Tiki-taka, 50% of world commerce is involving Spain trade. So either Asia to the Gulf to Spain, or USA to Spain. It's always Spain, Spain, Spain. 50% of world commerce for the tankers. It is going to be like this. And therefore, why not invest in the Spanish flag? This is this video about. If we talk about $12,000 for a master and chief engineer approach, which is very competitive. In India, they are just for 80,000 ton tankers. They are much about 15, 16, 17,000 US dollars. Yes, we all are very nice in India, but you have to pay for that and wait. Yes. If you think about the Spanish flag, what are the competitive advantages? Sorry. 1 day on board equals 2 days ashore. So a captain or a junior going all the way up the ranks towards a captain or a chief engineer or a METO, then those officers only need to sail 25 years employed, 1-1 basis, for example, the top 4 and the ETO, and then have a crew 50 years employment. So they can retire 55 years of age. This is a huge competitive advantage. You can add to that the Spanish language, and then you can stay for 12,000 a master, let's say, for a long term. Is that interesting or is it not interesting? The only problem we have today is that the euro is going to grow and the dollar is going to fall, because these Americans are now printing money like, you know, there's no future tomorrow. And in Europe, they just don't know what to do. It's like 26 countries running without heads. It's like chickens running about monetary policy. But meanwhile, it's very interesting to find out that if we have local crew with the Spanish flag for your good tanker of 80,000 tons, no one is doing that. So perhaps you are the first one to get this crew, put them with the Spanish flag, and not only we could do 10 with the Spanish flag, we could also do another 10 with flag of convenience. Of course, it is better not to be European flag, because there is a big pool of Venezuela, there is a big pool of Cuba. Yes, if you don't trade with USA, we can focus those nationalities. Many Spanish ship owners do, and there is only 10 tankers for a Spanish language. So it could be 10 Spanish flag, Spanish language, 10 Spanish flag, English language, even Filipino ratings, working permits and so on. It's so complicated, this Spanish flag, yes indeed. And then we can have a flag convenience. For example, Panama is nice, very friendly. Those nationalities with English and without English, and then have a 40 tanker pool. Why? Because no one is doing it. So it's the time to invest. But you need to amend the brain of your crew manager today and your HR department, because if you are going to be ahead of competitors, do it now. We are ready. Thank you. Bye.